Ripoti ya uthuthuria uria tafanitio ni ruhonge rwa KEMRI gatagati-ini ka mweri wa kana na mweri wa gatandatu yonanitie ati makiria ya Akenya milioni 2 maya gukorwo magwatitio murimo wa coronavirus. Ithimi cia thakame kuma kuri gikundi kia Akenya kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Mombasa hamwe na icigo ingi ukionania gukorwo ho kwa murimu uyu mweri umwe kana eri mihituku ona thengia ya gukorwo matekuonania dariri o yothe ya murimu uyu.
Very interesting data. For instance, in Nairobi, we found that almost over 12% of the population of Nairobi seem to have been exposed to this virus.
You do seroprevalence. When you check for antibodies in someone's body, you're not checking for whether that person is infected now. You're checking for whether that person has been exposed in the past. So the PCR test that we keep talking about tell us that this particular person has COVID-19. But the antibody tests tell us that this person was exposed to COVID-19 in the past couple of months.
Uthuthuria uyu na kuhanoro uguo rugamirire gicunji kinini kia Akenya makiria muno a ukuru-ini wa gatagati aria mari na uhoti wa kuheana thakame.
I have to say that one, the sample size is okay, fairly small. Two, it may not be perfectly representative of the country, because these are samples from blood donors. We know blood donor samples, particularly at this time of the pandemic, are biased in a way because most of the samples that we are getting right now in the blood donor bank is people who are donating blood for their relatives who may require blood transfusion.
Thirikari ona kuhanoro uguo yugite uthuthurio uyu ni uguteithiriria kugereka uria namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu iguthie na mbere kuongerereka mieri-ini yukite.
This information is extremely important for us because it gives us an idea of how the virus has permeated the community and what the level of transmission is. Of course, as you know, the test that we do, the RT-PCR test, could not be able to give us this kind of data. Because of the way in which we are targeting this test, most of it is targeted in the sense that we identify positives, we follow them, we do the contact tracing and so on. And at some point we also do a little bit of target testing in certain areas.
Maya mokite oriri namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu yongererekete na gukinyeria andu 7,188 thutha wa andu angi 242 gwikirwo mukonde muthenya wa umuthi.
Amongst the 247 positive cases today, 242 are Kenyans, while 5 are foreigners. Males comprise 164 and females 83. The youngest is a one-year-old infant, while the oldest is 100.
Kaunti ya Nairobi igithie na mbere gutongoria na arwaru 153, Mombasa 35, Kajiado 15, Busia 12, odumwe na Kiambu 12. Hamwe na kaunti ingi ni Uasin Gishu, Machakos, Garissa ikiandikithia o kaunti arwaruana, nayo kaunti ya Murang'a, Nakuru na Siaya ikiandikithia arwaru eri o kaunti, riri nayo kaunti ya Lamu na Nyamira ciandikithitie murwaru umwe o kaunti.
That we have discharged 39 patients from various hospitals, bringing to 2,148 the total number of recoveries. Sadly, we have also lost 2 more patients to the disease, bringing to 154 our total fatalities in the country due to COVID-19.
Ukiringithania na mabũrũri mangĩ thĩinĩ wa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika, namba ya arwaru arĩa makuĩte kumana na mũrimũ ũyũ ĩrĩ thĩ, rĩrĩ nayo ya arĩa marekereirio gũcoka mũciĩ thutha wa kũrigitwo ĩthiĩte na mbere kuongerereka.
As of today, our case fatality rate is 2.29% compared to the global average of 6.7%, so which is a third. So I want to applaud the healthcare workers for the excellent work they are doing to manage COVID-19 cases.
Ona kuhanira uguo garama ya kurigita murwaru wa murimu uyu iri iguru, thirikari ikiuga mutaratara wa kurigitira andu micini ni ukunyihia garama ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, yetagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.